Hello and welcome to Boost Travel Affiliate Revenue using SEO. My name is Sharon Gourlay and I'm partnering with Travelpayouts to bring you this super informative course about how you can use travel payouts, affiliate marketing, and SEO combined to increase your revenue for your travel content. Now, this first lesson is Introduction to Travel Affiliate Marketing, and that's what I'm going to be covering. We're going to talk about what travel affiliate marketing is, why it's important, and briefly go over what you're going to learn in this course. So let's start. So why is affiliate marketing perfect for travel content? Well, I personally think affiliate marketing is the best way to monetize your travel content. Now, that's because people often consume travel content because they want to travel, right? They want to plan a trip, they want to go on a trip, all those types of things. Now, when you're planning a trip, there is a lot you need to book, okay? And a lot you need help with. Booking your flights, trains, buses, whatever they may be, car hire, hotels, tours. The list can feel a bit endless when you first start planning a trip. So affiliate marketing can go really well with travel content because people are looking to book all of these things, right? And when you're helping them with your content, it makes sense to have links to like your favorite hotels in a destination, for example, that the person reading your content can click on and go book so that they get a really good option. Now, this is where affiliate marketing can be perfect for travel content because, of course, you could just make these links affiliate links. And then not only does the person still get to book whatever it is they want to book, but you also make some revenue from it. This can then fund you to make more great travel content, have an even better site, get more people to it, etc., etc. And it can work really well to use affiliate marketing on your travel content. But it's not as simple as adding links. I like to say there is a reason it's called affiliate marketing and not affiliate linking, right? You unfortunately can't just add a whole lot of affiliate links and expect a whole lot of success. So that's why we're going to be talking about it today. We're going to help you learn that skill of affiliate marketing. But you do really need to understand your readers. I would say it's fundamental to being successful with affiliate marketing. What they want and how you can serve them. When they land on your site, what is it that they are hoping to achieve? And what can you do to help get them there, especially in regards to affiliate marketing? So in this course, you're going to learn how to understand your readers and give them content that will help them and make affiliate commissions through Travelpayouts. You're also going to learn how to use SEO to find these readers that you can serve, because it's all well and good, to have the best travel content in the world, have great affiliate links, but if no one comes to your content, none of it is going to matter. And I really think SEO works so well with affiliate marketing. They're like perfect partners. So we're going to go really in depth on how to use SEO to get those readers to your content that want to book through your affiliate links, because that's when you really will have success with travel affiliate marketing. So we're also going to talk about how to ensure once we get those people to our sites with the SEO that they will convert to affiliate commissions. Okay, so there's a few different steps in there and we're going to cover them all. And then, what comes next? Because you can follow this course content, you can do a really great job and you will see results, right? But the way to really improve is to really track what you're doing, and trying to improve all the time. So we're going to talk about what you can do to make sure you keep improving over time. Now, it doesn't cover a beginner introduction to affiliate marketing and SEO. I'm assuming you already understand what these things are. I'm going to talk more in depth about exactly how you can use them together. Now, before I finish up this lesson, I do just want to quickly introduce myself so you know who I am and why I'm worth listening to. So my name is Sharon Gourlay. I live in Melbourne, Australia, and I've created many sites that earn 4 to 5 figures a month using the strategies in today's training, including several in travel. So individual sites earn that, and I have a lot of sites. I started in this industry as a family travel blogger. I ran a really big family travel blog that I sold back in 2018. And that got up to 500,000 page views a month, and it did great with affiliate marketing. So I promise you everything I'm talking about today works, and I know it works because I've done it in the past. I do it every day now. I'm always building new sites. I'm a bit addicted. And on this screen, you can see 3 of my current travel sites. I even have more than that. But you can go take a look at them if you want to see how I am doing affiliate marketing on those. I also run a site called digitalnomadwannabe.com, which is where I teach people how to do SEO and affiliate marketing and the types of things I'm talking about today. And that's because I used to be a high school teacher actually, and I really do love teaching people. So for me, this is like my favorite type of activity. I get to talk about SEO and affiliate marketing, which I love. I'm a total SEO dork, and I get to teach you how to do it too so that you can have the same success. So let's get started. Let's dive in. Let's learn how to boost your travel affiliate revenue using SEO.